So it's the next day and I am ready for it. And I went ahead and went to Home Depot and I got all the PPE and the other drop cloth that I'm gonna need for the front engine compartment. And here I go. I'm getting ready to tape everything, all the wires.
1, 2, 3, and...
So now, what I'm about to do is, we'll put down my phone first, right there. And after this, well, you know what? I should keep that on me. Keep my phone on me. And I'm gonna make sure that I have everything. The mask. And I get all my PPE on, personal protective equipment. I keep getting text messages. Yep, spam. Whatever. Well, not spam, but still. I don't need to answer it. Shouldn't wear this while I'm doing it. Okay, so I have that. All right, here we go. until the battery died on my GoPro. And you know what? It's a little bit hot doing that because it's about 85 degrees right now, and then I was wearing that whole suit. So a little bit hot. But this is what I got so far. There you go. Let me walk through it so I can show you. Yeah, I'm gonna need to do some touch up. Not adding more. Except for the back here, I'm gonna have to figure out. Well, I got foam board that I can use. Foam board insulation. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. And I got these, and I didn't fill them all the way up because I knew better. But what I did is I basically made it so the cold air cannot come through anymore too much that I think. So what I'll do is I'll just put the 3x4 plywood as a cover on top of it. This one is the one where I ran out, but I still got some on it. And I might add a little bit more. Well, no, this one's the one I ran out on. That one was the second one I ran out on. But yeah, I might add a little bit more to that one, mostly. So that way it'll be more secure from the cold. So I'm gonna do that. And I even got the front done too. This is my second to last part, or third to last part that I did. But I did get some of it done, so that's good. There's some of the paper stuck up there. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is probably give it 24 hours like the instructions told me to. And then I'll start working on it again, I guess.